Hey kids, Miss Baskowitz here again. Today we are going to look at our very first note on the recorder, the note B. Now, if you remember from when we did our lines and our spaces, the B line is in the middle. So we've got E, G, B, D, F, or every good boy does fine. B, our boy line, is smack dab in the middle. And to play up B on the recorder, let's take a look here at our fingering chart. Okay, so these holes down the front, these circles down the front of this long rectangle is like the holes on the front of our recorder. The little hole to the side is the hole on the back that is for our thumb. So if it is colored in, that means the hole is covered. If it is open, that means the hole is open or not covered. So on this one, for the note B, to make this note sound on a recorder, we're going to cover the back hole with our thumb and the top hole with our pointer fingers. So we're going to use our pinchy fingers. So let's put our thumb all the way over that back hole and our pointer finger all the way over that top hole. I should really get a different recorder for the next one. Okay, so let's put that recorder on our chin in practice position. And let's remind ourselves of our rules, okay? So practice on our chin. All right, we use the pads of our fingers to cover the hole. So that means if you're bending your finger like this, you're never gonna cover the hole all the way. We wanna use the, oops, my lights went off. We wanna use the pinchy, flat, squishy part of our finger. So put the pad part of your finger on both of the holes, give it a good squeeze. You'll get a recorder wart, which isn't really a wart, don't worry, but it's like the little hole there, the little circle. It just shows that you're covering the hole all the way. And we want to whisper a teeny tiny little T into our recorder, because remember, if you blow into it hard, if you blow hot air like that, or if you blow cold air, if you blow cold air like you're blowing on a candle, it'll squeak. We want to blow warm, gentle air by whispering a little T sound. So let's do some ta and TT practices. So why don't you play after me? Ready? Play ta, ta, T, T, ta. Try T, 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 ta. T, T, ta, T, T, ta. Try toe, toe. Okay, and those are our half notes, our longer notes. We just whisper a very small little amount of air and hold it for a little bit longer, okay? So let's take a look at the rhythm of the song that we're going to play. Now, easy, it's all the same note. So once you have your fingers here, you don't have to move them for this song, okay? So let's just read on Tas and TTs our rhythm right here. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. We have ta, T, T, ta, ta, T, T, ta, ta, T, T, ta, ta, to. And remember, a half note with a dot after it. The dot adds one extra beat to a half note. So it's 3 beats instead of 2 beats, okay? So we're just going to hold, like we did our half note, it's just going to hold out for 3 beats. Like that, okay? So this time, see if you can whisper those rhythms right into your recorder, okay? And remember, don't say anything at all on the rest. If you whisper a sh into the recorder's not going to know you mean a shush. It's going to play something because you're blowing air into it. So hold your breath for that 1 beat. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Now, for our song that we're going to do, when we play it along with the music, we're going to do it 4 times together, okay? 4 times together with a couple of beats in between, okay? So each time, we're going to wait for a 1, 2, ready, play in between. So there'll be 4 beats in between, and we play it over and over and over again, okay? Okay, kids, so you can see behind me, I've got the smart board on. And we're going to play the music through the speakers so you can hear it nice and loud, and we'll be all together. So when I press play, it's going to give you just 4 beats. So 1, 2, ready, go. And then we play it 4 times. I'll count you off each time. Are you ready? Okay, Here we go. 2, ready, play. One, 2, do it again. Here we go. One, 2, third time, go. And last time, ready? 1, 2, ready, go. So there is your B practice all by itself. Pause this. So if you would like to go back and play that again with me until it sounds really nice, that's called practicing, and that's how we get good at stuff, all right? So practice B until you're really good at it, and I'll see you back here, and we'll learn our second note, which is A, okay? See you back here when you're really good at B. Bye, guys.